excited to share a new brand with you. It's called Multitasky. They're a small business, so let's see what they sent over. Alright, this women-owned business has a bunch of cute little goodies that come in their box, and then, of course, you guys want to see what I got. I do too. Oh my gosh. First, we have the little hand warmer, and this is the travel power bank / hand warmer. Their products are also just so freaking cute. So let's open it up and see what we think. Gosh, how cute is that? It looks like a little suitcase. It's gonna be perfect for all of my summer adventures, and it's a portable phone charger and stuff, so it comes with the cord, just connects right to you, and then you can take it on the go for whatever you may have going on. So cute. I love it. The detail they put in, 10 out of 10. Alright, they also sent over this 3-port USB Keychain charger, so you can charge all of your devices on one thing. That is so convenient. I feel like I've needed that for like my phone and computer for years and years, so let's open her up and see what we think. So convenient. You can just plug it right on in and then boom, charge all of your devices right at once. Oh my gosh, Multitasky really thinks of it all. Alright, they really hooked me up and also sent over another goodie. I don't even know what this is, so let's unbox it and discover together. Okay. Oh, and it's a bunch of just charging stuff, and you can keep all of your appliances. So this is going to be, again, really good on the go. I can put my watch charger, my phone charger, keep the little charger in there, and then you can stow it into your carry-on. So thank you so much, Multitasky. I'm so excited to work with you guys, and stay tuned to see what else I create.